Hello and welcome to another video about XRP. Yeah, XRP, whenever you think you've got something, XRP messes around. Yeah, I already explained in the last video that we can now just sort of unpack the bullish scenario carefully, which I did hide away because the chart just doesn't really allow us easily to count this in a bullish way. But the move here, yeah, this move made us unpack that bullish scenario. You can make it work, and you can make it work here with the wave 1 to the upside, with the wave 2 to the downside, and that would suggest we are now in the wave 3. I then showed you in the last video, in the bullish scenario, we can count this as a 1, this as a 2. Now, it would have been nice to count this as a 3 and this as a 4. Not possible anymore. Yeah, there is still a way to make it work. I would have to make it a 1-2 and another 1-2 and then go higher from here. This would certainly be the bullish scenario. I then have to take these subwaves out. Or, in fact, I would have to say, right, this is the 1, this is the 2. In this wave 2 now, how far would we come down? Well, we are already in the region where you could, but okay, no, it needs to go ideally a little bit lower here between the 61.8% fib level, because we already broke here the 50% anyway. So it would be good to get to either 35.8 down to maybe 33.5 cents. So here in this region between the 61.8 to the 88.7% fib level, that would be what I would expect here in a bullish scenario to play out. And then in the next instance, we would need to move up finally here in this wave 3 to the upside. And yeah, basically finish it off, yeah, in a wave 3 then. And then, but again, a series here of 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setups. It just doesn't really look too bullish. We finally want to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 play out, and XRP, a little bit like Bitcoin, is still a bit too weak. But the XRP chart, the difference here is that from the low, that move to the upside, I said it before, I mean, you can count this bullish. That's why I've labeled it as a wave 1, since we broke back into this yellow region above the 88.7% fib level. But it's just a bit of a messing around. Yeah, for the chart, best would be another lower low. Yeah, it would be best for the chart, and therefore it took me so long to really unpack here the bullish scenario. But anyway, let me show you. Let me also show you the bearish wave count. Okay, just creating a copy here of the chart. And then we can take a look at the bearish scenario as well. So this here was the bullish one, and then I'm gonna make another copy, and that would be then the XRP bearish. And to be honest here with XRP, yeah, I mentioned in the last video, I did really hide this bullish scenario away. Only unpacked it because we broke above this level. I'm not sure what is going on here at the moment. Because I wasn't convinced, and then I had to unpack it because we broke above the 88.7% fib level. But yeah, you can see again weakness, as I said in the beginning. As soon as XRP is doing really something, you think you've got it, then it's messing around again. So yeah, it's not ideal. So finally another copy. Okay, XRP bearish. And by the way, if you join as a silver or gold member, you can get access to these live charts. So I do share them, or I've started to share them this week with Telegram and Discord members. You can see my internet is quite slow at the moment, actually. Yeah, I do share these now, so you can actually get up-to-date information as soon as I'm updating the chart. You don't necessarily need to wait for a video. Obviously, requirement is that I indeed am updating them, because I can't do it 24 hours. But what is the bearish scenario? Well, the bearish scenario would suggest that no, we haven't done a wave 1, we haven't done a wave 2, We haven't even seen the low yet. Yeah, so all of that has to go. It would suggest that this spike here, this move up here, was in fact actually a wave 4. So this here, the wave 4. Down here, that was actually a wave. Just take all of that out. Just to down here, the low was actually a wave 3 low. This was then the wave 4, and we would still expect a wave 5 here to go lower in the bearish scenario. When would the bearish scenario get more likely? I think, you know, if we take out this swing low at 32.6 cents, I think then the bearish scenario will get very likely. Because in the bullish scenario, this is the wave 2. If you take the wave 2 out, it invalidates this impulse, and then it would get much more likely for me that the bearish scenario is actually rolling out. We can, to be honest, much better count this in a bearish way because of the mess here. This looks more like a 3-wave move here. We can count it as a 5-wave move, but as I said before, it's a bit of messing around. So it's here what I would count it ideally like as a W, X, Y in a wave 4, and then you've got your ABC, ABC, ABC. So to complete the WXY pattern, and we would have started already then the move down here in a wave 1, and then we moved already up here in a wave 2. In terms of the Fibonacci retracements, you can see that we reached, yeah, the area between the 38.2% Fib level and the 50%. That's for a wave 2, all right. And I would now expect for a wave 3, and that is the bearish scenario. If we reach this target, it will be, yeah, quite likely that this is actually playing out bearish. You can see it would already be here the 30.8 cent level, so that is already quite far down. Already below here the swing low at, what did I say, 32.6 cents. I think we are going to go down lower and a move to 30.8 cents, then the 61.8% Fib level, no, the 1.618 extension, then I think it's sort of confirmed, right? And then, yeah, this would play out with a wave 4 retracement then, and then we would come down in a final wave 5 to finish off here that higher level wave 5 and to finish off the overall XRP correction. So this scenario assumes the low is not yet in. At the moment, to be honest, we have to take quite a balanced approach. It's not entirely clear which one is going to play out here. In these cases, when it's uncertain, it's best to wait, in my opinion, and to wait until we see a clearer pattern. All right, and that's my view about XRP. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.